If you're looking for space, this is the home for you. With over 2,500 square feet of living space, enjoy the updated kitchen with stainless steel appliances, large laundry room, living room, den, 4 bedrooms, and 2 full baths. The large den and spacious master bedroom and second bath is located on the opposite side of the house. This home requires flood insurance. Owner has a quote for hazard and flood insurance for a total of $82.17 a month. During last major flood, house did not flood. House has not flooded since the early 90s. Call Brenda Love 601-415-2039.